Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of DIY with a product that's perfect for anyone interested in natural beauty and self-care. We recently discovered the Natural Soap Making Book for Beginners, do-it-yourself soaps using all natural herbs, spices, and essential oils, and we've added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. This book is an excellent guide for beginners who want to explore the art of soap making using natural ingredients. It's packed with practical advice, easy-to-follow recipes, and a wealth of information about the benefits of the ingredients you'll be working with. If you've ever wanted to create your own soaps at home, this book is a must-have resource that makes the process accessible and enjoyable. One of the standout features of this book is its comprehensive introduction to the different types of natural ingredients you can use in soap making. You'll learn about various herbs, spices, and essential oils, their properties, and how they interact with each other in your soap recipes. This knowledge not only empowers you to create beautiful soaps but also allows you to customize your products to suit your personal preferences or specific skin needs. The book includes a variety of recipes that cater to different skin types and preferences. From soothing lavender soaps to invigorating citrus blends, each recipe is designed to be straightforward and easy to follow. You'll find clear instructions alongside helpful tips to ensure your soap-making journey is smooth and successful. Whether you want to create a gentle soap for sensitive skin or a more exfoliating bar, this book has you covered. Another important aspect of this book is its emphasis on safety. Soap making can involve the use of lye, which can be dangerous if not handled properly. The Natural Soap Making Book for Beginners provides essential safety guidelines and best practices, making it a user-friendly choice for novices. You'll feel confident and secure as you embark on your soap-making adventure. This book is suitable for a wide range of individuals. If you're a complete novice looking to explore a new hobby, this guide breaks down the process in a way that's easy to understand. It's also perfect for parents who want to engage their children in a fun and educational activity. Additionally, if you're someone who enjoys crafting or DIY projects, this book will inspire you to create beautiful, personalized gifts for friends and family. Practical use cases for this book are endless. Imagine crafting a batch of unique, all-natural soaps for your next special occasion. They make wonderful gifts for weddings, birthdays, or holidays. You could also make customized soaps for your home that reflect your personal scent preferences and aesthetic. Plus, if you're eco-conscious, creating your own soaps allows you to control the ingredients, reducing waste from store-bought products that often come in plastic packaging. Moreover, the satisfaction of using something you've made yourself adds a personal touch to your daily routine. You can even host soap-making parties with friends, where everyone can create their unique bars and share ideas. It's a fun way to bond and explore creativity together. In summary, the Natural Soap Making Book for Beginners is an invaluable resource for anyone looking to delve into the art of soap making. With its thorough instructions, safety guidelines, and diverse recipes, it truly caters to beginners while delivering an enjoyable experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.